Good afternoon, Mrs. Henry.
Good afternoon.
Cut the smile from your face, please. Uncross your legs. Thank you. Do you know why you were brought in today?
No. Who are you?
I am Sarge Tony, and you address me as such.
No, Sarge Tony.
You have committed several food crimes. You will also be charged with possession of food with no intent to distribute. You will also be charged with unlawful dehydration of chicken breast.
Officer, right now your interrogation is dehydrated. Can I get some water?
Turn on the lights, clear the runway, cause things about to get real. One is armed and beautiful, and the other will take you from farm to fork with grace and flair.
Today's guests are Miss Universe Jamaica Top 5 finalist Corporal Sasha Henry and Miss Universe Jamaica first runner-up thespian, farmer and teacher Toni-Ann Lalor. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you guys for coming. Are you guys ready?
We are.
I am.
Okay. We know that you know a thing or two about the runway, but can you guys run a boat?
Most
Indeed.
definitely.
Alright, so I'm excited to see this. So Sasha, what are you cooking up for us today?
Okay, so the meal I'm cooking today is called corned beef Cordon Bleu, Queen Cup style, a little bit of France in Jamaica.
Okay, alright. And what about you, Tony?
And I'll be cooking Farm Queen's sweet and spicy corned beef chili.
Okay, sounds very fancy. I'm excited, so let's go, ladies.
I have been in the force for the past 6 years.
What do you love about your job?
Well, I love adrenaline, so operations, I love that, and I love the fact that I can help people and make Jamaica a better place. I'm currently an instructor at the National Police College of Jamaica.
Okay, nice.
So persons who want to join the force, I use myself as an inspiration to them and give them that opportunity that they want.
Well, you mentioned inspiration. Who would you say is your real life hero?
My real life hero is the man that raised me for majority of my life, and that is my uncle.
Okay.
So he's known to the community as the pastor who takes care of everyone.
Right.
And I see a little bit of myself in him.
How did you get into farming?
Long story, but I'll make it very short.
Okay.
It's a family business. My mother is a single parent
Okay.
with 4 children. So that's how she manages to...
To just support you guys and provide for you.
Yes.
Okay.
So when I was living in Portmore, and she would go back and forth from the country to St. Catherine, and it was just too much. So she decided to move to the country, and I thought it was amazing. I was so fascinated by farming.
Yeah.
So I started a little here, a little there. I started with chickens, cucumbers.
Yeah?
Some didn't work out, of course, but some worked, and now it's going very good. I have 2 acres of sweet potatoes right now.
Wow.
And I just lost 2 acres of plummy tomatoes to a neighbor with some goats.
Yeah.
So, you know, it has its ups and downs.
Alright, Sasha, what's going on over here?
So I use the plastic wrap to create something looking like a cylinder with the chicken breast. So all the stuffing is inside, and then we just roll it. Okay, roll it. After which we'll dip it in some egg and flour and breadcrumbs, and then we'll put it in the oven for 30 minutes.
How did you even get into pageants?
I have an aunt, she's big into fashion. So one morning she said to me, Sasha, you know, you should try out for Miss Jamaica World. I'm like, me?
Yeah.
No, people don't like police officers, so I won't even make it very far. So she said that, yes, man, you will make a difference. And I just gave it a shot.
And that was it.
I think it's time. I'm going to add the black beans.
Okay. Grace black beans.
Grace black beans. And some Grace sweet corn as well. Smell it?
What are we gonna do after?
We're gonna add the Grace corned beef
and then just mix it in
and give it some time.
And that's it. Heard you went to Japan. Can you say anything in Japanese?
Oh yes. What am I going to do? Okay, I'm gonna say, my name is Toni-Ann, respect, greetings, and Sasha, let's do our best.
Okay.
Okay. Watashi wa Toni desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Sasha, gambarimasho.
Hey! What's up? Say hi, P.
Couldn't leave and then only the song.
Two mannequins stand before me, and you have the task to make outfits with all the elements in these two boxes. This is the real-life race of Toni-Ann Make Fashion. All right, ladies, so we've completed the fashion challenge. Sasha, let me start with you. What's the name of your design?
My design is called Grace Cocktail Mix.
So you have your cornmeal porridge headpiece and earrings.
Yes. And we have some sausage shoes down here.
Oh, shoes too.
And the aloe vera skirts.
What were you going for?
This is a very dark mannequin and I love dark, beautiful young ladies, right? I want to show that we are from quality material and we're from quality land, which is the motherland of Africa.
All right, complemented with, of course, the cock suit mix.
Yes.
Design. Okay, lovely, lovely. I love it. All right, Toni, over to you now. What's the name of your design?
The name of my design is Mix It Up.
Mix it up.
Yes. So it's a bit inspired by the European, the Japanese, you name it, it's right here.
Lovely food, drink.
Porridge inside, sausage inside, Grace, we have it all inside.
Oh, all right, Grace, we have it all inside. I wonder if I should let the viewers choose the winner. Based on the decision of my judges, you can't see them. Right now, the winner of today's fashion challenge is... Is it Mix It Up? Or is it the cock soup mix? I can't choose who the winner is. I want my viewers to choose who the winner is. Or better yet, we're going to decide the ultimate winner in the kitchen.
Grace, turn up the heat. Grace, turn up now. Grace, turn up the heat.
So Toni, what we're gonna have with the corned beef?
For the corned beef, we're gonna have jasmine rice. So Grace jasmine rice,
All right,
which is
rice.
ready. The corned beef, chili is also ready. And our side is ready as well.
Oh, we have side for me too?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Straight from the farm. I'm finished. Sasha can't cook for hungry people, you know. You can't cook for hungry people.
Why?
We're finished. We're ready for eat.
Whatever job it is that you want to do, go ahead and do it.
Yeah.
Just work hard and pursue your dreams.
Alrighty guys, let's see what we have here. Alright, so Toni, I'm gonna try the chili first. Wanna pray for me? Okay. Toni, this is actually pretty good. It's not
Yes.
too spicy.
Okay.
And I am tasting the Grace sweet and spicy sauce. You add that in there,
Yes,
right?
I did.
That's good. Alright, let me try.
That was the master I was telling you about, the
Oh, that-
secret element.
That was the secret element.
Yes.
Okay.
You love it, man. You love it. You love it.
I did not know that the sweet and spicy sauce would complement the corned beef so well. It's a nice mix. So good job, Toni. This is the fancy. Hey, Sasha.
Yes.
Alright. Toni, these sweet potatoes came from your farm.
Straight from the farm.
Mine is this make sure you know.
No, I know.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut. I'm tasting a burst of flavors in my mouth right now. This is actually pretty good. Wow, I don't even know who's gonna win this. Sweet potato good. really good.
Well, you know, if Sasha win, at least we win
But
half
you
and half.
defeated-
Half and half.
Because you
Half and half.
contributed.
Yes.
But I'm the
I
one
like
who
it.
cooked it, right?
You're the sweet potato, you know.
True. All right. So either way, it's a win. Tell you never dance when you're eating, man. Now come back, man. You need to dig a little deeper, right? Over on this side, right
I need to
here.
dig a little deeper?
Yes, man.
It's not overcooked. It's actually nice and soft. The corned beef is a nice but different element in the mix. And it's stuffed with cheese as well.
Yes.
Right? I taste a little cheese
And
there.
mustard is in it as well.
Oh, and the mustard. Ah, that's what I was trying to figure out. What is that little...
The sauce.
Yeah. That's good. Sasha, this look like date night kind of vibes. Tony, this look like I feel a little fancy. I feel a little, you know, fancy, and I feel it myself on a weekday night. But quick fix with everything just right.
And you can have it with bread, crackers, chips, you
Anything.
name it.
Okay.
Wait, man. Hold on,
Wait. So, the Miss Can Cook Grace corned beef is Toni-Ann Lalor. I think the sweet and spicy sauce, the Grace sweet and spicy sauce did it for me. I did not expect it to taste so good with corned beef. That actually surprised me. So I think that's what gave it the upper hand. Everybody loves a quick fix. So you guys should give yourselves a round of applause. They did awesome. And they both taste exceptionally great. Like awesome. So big up for yourselves. Yay!
Thank you. All right, Sasha, taste. Come, cause we
I don't even know mine taste is.
The ladies showed up and showed out today with such poise and grace.
Thanks for tuning in. It was great.
Be sure to follow Grace on all social media platforms, Instagram,
Facebook,
And YouTube for more fun episodes and recipes on
Chilling with Grace.
Bye guys.
See you next time.
Turn up